Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Podofo is current because older builds lack voice hooks. Once done, install a compatible TTS engine, eSpeak or Microsoft SAPI, so Podofo has a backend to call. Make sure audio devices are enabled and set the system volume to around 50% to avoid clipping. You should also run a quick engine test. This proves the voice pipeline works before you change Podofo settings. These actions prevent wasting time later when you enable voice features. Now open Podofo preferences and go straight to accessibility, then voice settings, because configuration must be precise. Select your installed engine and pick a voice profile. You control how natural it sounds by adjusting rate and pitch, so tweak those while using the test button. Once you hear the preview, change buffer size and output device to reduce latency or distortion. Make incremental adjustments and retest. This ensures spoken text remains intelligible and synchronized with on-screen events. Enable voice in settings and assign hotkeys or auto-read triggers so you control when narration runs. Then test by running a full document read aloud. Listen for mispronunciations, skipped lines, or timing issues because these indicate mapping or engine problems. If things go wrong, open debug logs and enable verbose mode to capture errors, then restart Podofo after applying fixes. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio stutters, switch output device or increase buffer. That resolves most timing-related failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.